All right, let's get straight into it. Bring in market watcher Jeff Sica. He is with us this morning. Let's get back to the stock market and away from the city exodus. This is the best August since, what, 1984, and we've had a stunning July and August rally on the markets. Now, all the years that you've been on the show, you've been pretty cautious, consistently cautious. What are you saying now?
Well, I mean, I'm cautious. I'm invested in this market, Stuart. I think I've spoken of some of the stocks I liked, but I don't get much sleep holding these stocks. And the reason why is, and everybody knows this now, the market has been driven by these six stocks. They've been the catalyst behind the movement in the S&P 500. Yet these six stocks are only a small percentage, less than 30% of the economy in the technology stocks. So my concern is that you have an economy that's struggling, that's sluggish, and you have a stock market that is booming, and sooner or later you're going to get a day of reckoning, and that's what concerns me most.
Hasn't come yet, though, has it?
No, and I'm not going to be the one to name the date and the time that this happens. But what I am going to say is that the consumer is a major concern for me. The consumer, the COVID stimulus ended at the end of July. Now the consumer has to deal with life outside of the stimulus, which you're talking about tens of billions of dollars that were coming into the economy through the COVID stimulus. That ended. We are going to see the health of the consumer in August, and I think that's going to be very telling in terms of the short-term direction of the market.
I got to say, I think you're ignoring